Good morning, students. Welcome you all once again in civics period, lesson number 3, teachers of the constitutions. We learned this lesson and it's time to write question answers. Okay. Now let's write. Let's start writing. Prepare a table to show the separation of powers in the federal government. Okay. Page number 75 of your book. Prepare a table to show the separation of powers in the federal government. Okay. Number 1, union list. यूनियन लिस्ट में हम लिखेंगे डिफेंस, देन फॉरेन अफेयर्स एंड देन करेंसी. स्टेट लिस्ट में हम लिखेंगे लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, एग्रीकल्चर एंड हेल्थ. एंड कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट जो है उसमें हम लिखेंगे एजुकेशन, एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एनवायरमेंट. आई विल सेंड दिस टेबल विथ आंसर्स इन योर ग्रुप टुडे. ठीक है, आज मैं ग्रुप में ये आंसर आपको भेजती हूँ. नाउ कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग चार्ट. यूनियन टेरिटरीज. Union territories: New Delhi, Diu Daman, Puducherry, Chandigarh, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, and now one more, that is Kashmir also. Constituencies of the Union Parliament: President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. ठीक है, constituents of the Union Parliament: President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next, note down, fill in the blanks with me. Now here our question also है. In the blank question is over. The residuary power are given to the union government. Okay. Then the Union Council of Ministers is answerable to House of People. Then third one, the Indian Constitution provides for single citizenship. Okay. Now next. judges of Supreme Court. Answer is the President of India. Who has the highest decision-making power? The Parliament. Parliament. See here, right answer in one word. Who appointed the judges of Supreme Court, and the answer is the President of India. And second one, who has the highest decision-making power in the parliament system, and the answer is Union Parliament. Okay, and the answer is Union Parliament. Now, find out one word for machinery for the governance of the entire country. Machinery for the governance of the entire country. See in your book, question is given in your book. Machinery for the governance of the entire country, and the answer is union government. Answer is union government. See, the question is given in your book. Find one word for page number 75 of your book. Okay. Machinery for the governance of the entire country, and the answer is union government. Machinery for conducting election. Answer is election commission. And the third list of subject for making laws, and the answer is concurrent list. Okay, answer is concurrent list. And machinery for the governance of the parts of the country, and the answer is state board. Okay, note down these three from the book in your copy. Machinery for the governance of the entire country. Now, students, let's state the whether following statements are correct or incorrect. Next question is. Number one. The question is right, statements are correct or incorrect. subject in the union list. Statement is correct. Law and order. Subject. In the state list. Statement. Local government, the subject of the contract list. Incorrect statement. Okay. Local government is the subject in the concurrent list. This is incorrect statement. Then law and order is a subject in the state list. Correct statement. And war and peace is a subject in the union list. That is also correct statement. Okay. Now you students note down this. All this in your copy. Okay. And tomorrow we will answer the following questions as well as explain the following concept. ठीक है. और ये जो आंसर्स है, yes, tomorrow we will write it. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care.